How to make TikTok sounds alarms. To get started, first of all, you need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok where you can view the reels that are shared on TikTok. Then, you need to tap on the Share button from the side panel. After that, select the option Copy Link from the menu. Once the link is copied, minimize the application. Now, open Safari on your phone. Then search for TikTok MP3 download. From the results, tap on this website. Now paste the link over here. Then hit the download button. Once the content is ready to download, tap on this option Download MP3 and hit the download option. Then, tap on this download icon at the search bar on the bottom. Then, select the option Downloads. You can see that the audio has been saved on your phone. You can now play it. Now, open up the clock application. Then add an alarm and tap on the sound option. Then select the option Pick a Song. You will find the downloaded music right here if you have a subscription to iTunes. So, by following these steps, you can make TikTok sounds alarms.